Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we can discuss how to add the signature for mails. I mean, if you send any mails to some of your friends or colleagues, you need to add your phone number if you want. So you need to add other account details or something else, right? Whatever you want. So for that, I will show you. So open the Chrome and Gmail, sign in. So if you scroll down this one, so we can see here manage labels. So select manage labels and go generals, and you can see after is a button labels, my pictures, and create contact to auto complete. Then importance singles for ads on signature. In this signature place we can add. So if you want one more, you can create the new one like that. So I already added. For example, I will show you. I can delete this one. So once you come to signature, select and give your name first. So create. Then you need to give here your full name also. So phone number, address or college address or company name. What else? Make it whatever you want. You can add here. Then come to signature defaults. You have to select this must. So for new, so use this one, and only replay or forward uses, both are you can select. So then you select insert this one and go save changes. Once the change, you need to compose. See when you click the compose new mail to anyone, the total details will be displayed under there, under context place. So this is how we can add on our signature to mails. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you you will get the more videos like related and some interesting facts also. Thank you for watching. Thank you.